Hey guys, and welcome back for another bullet journal video. Today I will be doing a February mood tracker. I will be using this U brand pen. I'm pretty sure you can purchase these over at Target. Anything I use in this video will be linked below and located over at my blog, which is charmedbyashley.com. So you can check that out. That will be also in the information icon. So today I wanted to do a mood tracker in, of course, a Valentine's theme. This is my very first bullet journal, so I haven't done any themes yet, and of course the first one would have to be Valentine's. So I decided to make this very large heart spread across the two pages, and then I placed another little heart in the center, and then just did pie slices coming off of that heart. And each little pie slice you will fill that in depending on your mood. I was actually very pleasantly surprised with how well this pen worked. There was no smudging, especially when I, pushing the ruler over top of the line that I just did. There was no transfer, so that was awesome. So now I'm going to be working with the Tombow dual brush markers. I just got these, so of course I'm excited to use them. I will have a full review for these markers and also showing you some tips and tricks. So check out that video. If it's not up yet, it will be linked below. And of course, I am still practicing. I'm not amazing with these markers yet. It's definitely something that you need to kind of just work on and just, doodle so you can get a feel for it because of the dual brush. The brush part, you press harder and you get a thicker line, and then, press softer, and then it will give you a thinner line. So it kind of it's a little bit of a learning curve trying to figure that out. So I'm just did a few little heart doodles, and now I'm going to be making my little mood tracker key. So I'm just going to create little boxes. So when you're choosing your key, just think about what type of moods you are in. You can have more than I have, or you can have less. I'm generally either happy, sad, anxious, stressed, or relaxed, which I don't think I'm ever relaxed, but we'll just pretend that that actually happens once in a while. So now I'm just going to mark the first day, and then I will work counterclockwise throughout the month. And this will just help me see how things were, and maybe if there's a spike in certain areas of the month, and maybe I can figure out why, and just your general overall mood. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. I have a new Instagram for bullet journals, so you can check that out down below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.